Oh, we have the Chillkey, that Chillkey, the Chillkey mouse with an OLED screen that I've never used. This mouse is nice. Initial impressions with spice. Woo! FragWatch here. Today we're going to be doing the initial impressions of the Chillkey. I actually forgot the model name of this mouse. Let's see if I can find it. I'll put it in the title. Okay. Got a lot of mice to review and forget the names of some of these models. This thing is dope. I think it's like the LW1 or something. This is a sweet mouse. Flat out. Dongle looks cool. It looks cool in this purple colorway. It's got an OLED screen. I don't think I've ever used it. The software, the software was good. It does Bluetooth 2.4 wired. You can change the DPI on the bottom. Skate design on this is like Lamzu level. Like, look at that. It's just sweet. They got sensors and they side skates, full skates top and bottom. And look, the skates are so good that they felt really good on glass. I didn't change out to dots for this. I tested this. I've played on this I've had this thing going since like September or August maybe. I've probably put 50 to 60 gaming hours on this. And some of that was when I was really sick. So I don't count that towards a review because I wasn't at my peak performance or near that, right? So it'd be unfair to put that towards that. But I'm easily at like over 20 hours on this. I could do the review right now, but we're going to do the initial impressions so I can write down my thoughts and get the review out proper. So I'll make this brief. Clicks, just super crisp. Like great rebound force. There's a little bit of travel when you get towards the inside. The ridges and like this scroll wheel, like it throws it forward into the dip. So like very awesome for like jump if you have it bound to jump. Very cool. The click, very crisp. Like it does have like a little bit of a muddy feel, but it does have a great rebound force, which makes it feel less muddy. Side mouse buttons are more muddy than a lot of mice these days. They do protrude quite a lot, so they are tactile and nice. This mouse slopes inward. You can see that on both sides, so you can kind of get a grip on it like that. This is primarily a relaxed claw and aggressive claw mouse. My hands, for those who are new to the channel, are 17.5, 16.5, 12.5, 4, and 2. I think padding on your palm, that measurement matters as well. And people should be more, in tune with that. Like, especially for claw grip, like it matters, right? Anywho, I was able to use this almost in a hot grip. There's only a little bit of clearance there. A hot grip is fingertip palm hybrid where you kind of tuck your mouse back for micro adjustments, but other than that, it's fingertip. I had an aggressive claw that I was able to do. It is a little bit slippery with a sleeve on glass, but on cloth where I don't wear a sleeve, it was really nice for aggressive claw. Relaxed claw was nice. You get your fingers near the fingertip here or near the end of the mouse, and it is just so well balanced. This mouse is just a real pleasure. It's very well balanced. It does feel just a little bit front heavy, but for flick games, it's just very nice. I like it. It looks good. This ribbing right here gives good grip. Let me show that. It's like ribbed for her pleasure. Your pleasure. No ribbing on this side though, which is weird. Like it's like you'd think they'd put ribbing right here, but this ribbing right here is like it's sweet. It feels really cool. And the indents on both sides are just, brother, this is a sweet mouse. It kind of remind me in a way of like the OP1 or like, what was that? The F1 by ATK. Like it's just, I think people will really enjoy this mouse. And I like seeing a new company come out with a product that really like fires on all cylinders. Like kudos. I think the OLED is dorky. You don't need it. I've never used it. I don't even think I've ever seen it on. Let's see if it turns on. Actually, I'm curious. Look, oh yeah, it does turn on. Okay. Fuck, I've never even noticed it or used it. Anywho, that is my initial impressions of this. I had no sensor issues, no tracking issues on glass or cloth, and cloth of various softness levels. The PD, which is like an artisan mid or even harder. And then I also played on the WL Mouse Mal. I pulled out the Type 99 for oh man, I played on a ton of mouse pads with this. I'm thinking of like these. I only played with like 4 or 5 mouse pads. I've probably played on like 12 mouse pads with this. I took this on vacation too, and it survived. I'm pretty rough to my shit on vacations. This and the Zeiss Rail went on vacation. Nice. All right, that's the initial impressions of that. It's nice. It's good. Can't wait to do the review. Kudos, Chillkey. The fuck's my cursor? Where's my cursor? Where is my cursor to end this recording? Woo!